Hi everyone, and welcome to Heartcraftpaper. My name is Monica, and we're going to be going over the assembly instructions for the Milk Carton SVG that can be found on my shop. Here's a quick sample of what you can make with this SVG file. We're going to start with the new project. I'm going to go to upload, and mind you, I've already uploaded my image, so I'm going to search it out. Once I find it, I will select it and add it to the dock. Once it's in the dock, I can go ahead and insert image onto my mat. Once the file is in my workspace, I will go ahead and ungroup this. Next, I will select the carton itself and select Attach. I will then go and select the lines and make them into score lines. As you can see, they were initially cut lines. For this particular project, since it's just the assembly for the carton, I'm going to go ahead and hide the tag since I will not be cutting it. From here, we're going to select Make It and send it off to the mat for cutting. Once it's in the mat area, you'll be able to select the different paper size that you're going to be using. And because this is an SVG file, you can make this into any size that you wish. Once your paper selection is made, go ahead and click Create. This will then shoot it off to the machine for cutting. Begin by inserting your material into the machine. Because we're going to be scoring, I'm going to use my stylus that I have here and insert it into my machine. Be gentle, and then snap it in and let it run its course. Now we're ready for assembly. We're going to need a boning knife and some glue. I'm going to start by making mountain folds. These are the folds that make the perimeter of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I burnish each fold so that I have a nice crisp line. Now I'm going to make a mountain fold along the long side of the box, and this will be where it folds towards the center. Next, I'm going to fold back the uppermost score line and create a valley fold. Our next valley fold will be along the triangular sections. This will allow us to pinch our box closed. You will have to be gentle with this, as you don't want your paper to fold over excessively. So please use your fingers and thumbs in order to hold down that paper as you fold upwards. The final steps are making mountain folds along the tabs, so that way we can go ahead and glue our box together. Now I'm going to fold my outermost sections towards the center so that the tabs overlap with the other section. This will allow me to glue down my sections together nice and even. Now that you've applied pressure to the glue, you'll fold it in the other direction to make sure that this lies flat. Alright, I'm going to start by pinching this together to make sure that it comes together nicely. And here you have a couple of options. You can seal from the top first and then the bottom, so that's up to you. You can use a little clip, you can glue it down, or you can use ribbon to tie it by hole punching. I can do the bottom here as well, so it really is up to you how you want to load your box, either from the top or the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and start gluing from the top. So what I'm going to do is along the folded section is where I will add my glue and then pinch together. So let's go ahead and pinch this together now that we have our glue ready. You want to make sure you hold it firmly and press so that way it does adhere. Now, Typically, I would load my box at this point, but for this example, we're going to go ahead and seal the bottom and do this empty. So as you can see, you can add a little baggie of candy. That would be ideal for this type of gift, and some type of sentiment, or if you want a little bit of art, that's up to you. And here you have your completed box. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching Heartcraft Paper. Visit us on our shop at www.heartcraftpaper.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to follow along.